Hi, today in the small shed I'm going to be doing a house refurbishment, and that's coming up next. Now, one of the advantages of the small shed is that I overlook the garden and all the wildlife that we get in there. But sadly, over the last week or two, there have been one or two visitors that we haven't probably wanted so much, and they're causing a little bit of damage. Now, I'm not sure which one of the two it is. It's either the squirrel or the big fat pigeons, but somebody has taken it upon themselves to leap onto the bird table that we have, and unfortunately, although it's in a big concrete block, it can still be a bit unstable. The squirrels have a habit of climbing up on the greenhouse roof and jumping off onto it because I put an upside down bell shape to stop them climbing up the pole. So it's probably my own fault, but the fact remains that they've made a bit of a mess. So let's just go out and have a look and see what they've been doing. That's ignoring the digging that they do in the garden all the while, but oh dear. So it looks like the bird table's had it. So that's the damage. It looks like it's pretty much done for the base. That's not the first time it's happened, I have to say, but this time it's finally broken it completely, and the side supports are a bit loose. The roof has surprisingly stayed remarkably complete. Bit of a chip in the roof. I mean, those are big pieces of slate. So it looks like it's going to have to be take apart and rebuild. See how well the screws are. Fortunately, the screws are pretty loose. Anyway, that probably, no, I think so it probably means it's stuck on with mastic. Oh no, not mastic, just a bit of, just that as well. Probably totally overkill, but I've got a piece of oak that I thought I'd make the sides out of. I expect the timber that they originally used is treated in some way, and I haven't got anything suitable, so I thought if I did them out of oak it was likely to last a lot better. I'll just mark them out, cut them out on the bandsaw, clean them up. Might have to thickness them down a bit, I suppose, just to take them back to where they were, and we'll hopefully have a set of components. The oak sides have now been finished and tidied up a bit of sanding and coat of oil, and they're ready to go in, be fitted. I've also cleaned the rest of the table up now. I gave it a very light sand and a spot of oil on anything that was left, so I can now start and assemble the whole thing. The chain and roof screws have been soaking in vinegar to try and get a bit of the rust off, and that's starting to get them back to a reasonable state. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. The birds seem to be doing so. If you did, please press like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.